Hello, boys and girls. I'm coming back to you again to read another story. So it's reading time. Now, the title of this story is called Boy, Bird, and Dog, written by David McPhail. Looking at that front cover, what do you think this story will be about? Let's read to find out. Boy saw bird. Bird was up. Boy went up. Hello, boy, said bird. Hello, bird, said boy. Thinking about the setting of this story, where is it taking place? Looks like they're outside. They saw and saw. Dog saw bird and boy. I want to go up, said dog, but I can't. Boy went down. He got a rope. Why do you think the boy is getting a rope? Let's read to find out. He got a pot. Dog went in the pot. Now, by dog getting into that pot, how do you think dog is going to get up in that treehouse? Let's read to find out. Boy went up. He pulled the rope. Dog was up. That was a great idea, wasn't it? Yes. Hello, dog, said bird. Hello, bird, said dog. Boy, bird, and dog like to be up. They saw and saw. Do you think they're happy? Why do you think they're so happy? Think about that. They saw Mom. She went up to the tree. Mom had cookies. She held them up, but boy did not go. He sent the pot. Great idea. Mom put the cookies in the pot. Boy pulled up the pot. Boy, bird, and dog had cookies. Yum! They were good. Do you love cookies? I love cookies too. What these cookies begins with? The K sound, the letter C. Great job. Boy, bird, and dog were happy. So now we know how the boy, bird, and dog feel. They were happy to be together. Now, I want you to think about your favorite part of this book, and I want you to draw a picture about your favorite part. I hope you guys enjoy that reading. I'll see you guys later.